Okay, now we're going to start a 2D sketch and we're going to put it right on this extrusion that we just made that went down 0.25 inches. So I'll click on that and spin around. And I'm going to use project geometry again, and I'm going to put it on this area right here. So again, I'm getting the outside lines, and if you take a look at this, what it did is because the sketch surface is on this shelf here, it put the yellow line around the rib at the bottom of it, not at the top, because our sketch surface is down below. So let's go back to this. And what I'm going to do now is offset again, and I'm going to click the outer rectangle. I'm going to pull it inside, and I'm going to put that in 0.05 and click. So I offset that outside rectangle in 0.05. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the extrude tool again, and I'm going to do a cut. So let's see, I'm going to finish my sketch, and this is extrude. The profile that I want to use is this edge right there, and it's a cut, and this is going to go down 0.45 inches, and I'll say okay. So this cut extrusion, I should say, is offset in 0.05 inches, and then it goes down 0.45. So I'll pause this and let you get up to where I'm at now.